Hello guys, this is Omama iPhone Repair Center. Today I'm fixing iPhone 7 which came here for no power. There's no power, so we are going to diagnose, then we will fix it. So now this is the iPhone, and anytime you get a power off problem, the first priority is your battery. You check the battery percentage, and let's check the voltage of the battery. So it's 3.6. So 3.6 is, it should be booting, or at least it should show a sign of low battery. So let's connect to the charger. So when you connect it to the charger, it doesn't show anything. And when it comes to the amps also, it's 0 amps. 0 amps. 0 amps. It doesn't show anything. This is the line. Okay, now we are going to use the power supply to switch it on, and then we will see. I connect the power supply, and as for power supply, it's also like a battery, so it's supposed to boot. It's stacking at 1.4 milliamps, and it's stacking. It's like something has stopped the phone from booting. So now we will disassemble the phone. So we will disassemble the phone, and then we will check what is causing the phone to stack on that. It's supposed to boot from maybe 50, 60, 70, then you see that it's booting, but immediately you prompt it to boot, then it's stuck on that percentage. So let me connect the battery terminal again, then let me prompt it to boot. Okay, now you can see still the same. So now I have a 2 here, the thermal camera. Then I will connect it, and then it will show me that particular IC which is stopping the phone from booting. Okay, so now let's check. Okay, you realize that this section is very, very hot. So I'll peel off the sticker there. Okay, so let me peel off this sticker. Then I will prompt it to boot again. I will boot it again. Okay, so let me check again. Okay, you see that now when I took it out, is the IC which is stopping the phone from booting is very, very hot. Very, very, very hot here. This position is very, very, very hot. From the entire board, you can see is that position which is very, very, very hot. It's showing very, very hot. Yeah, this one, they are the metal shield, so it's like that. But you see this IC, it's very, very hot. Okay, now let's go to the schematic and check the particular IC. Let's come to the computer. So when you come to the computer, iPhone 7, same board. 7, the same board. So when you come here, this IC was the one which was very hot. This IC. So this IC is the IC which control the charging. It's called the TriStar. It's a charging IC, the USB IC. Yeah. So this is the IC. This is the IC. So that is the IC which controls the charging. Okay. So now I need to take it off. But this is an advice I will give to the customers. Sometimes when they come to us and we advise them to buy original chargers, they don't want to buy. They want cheap chargers. And those cheap chargers, they always bend those ICs. So sometimes some of the phone it will boot, but it will not charge. Some of them it will charge, but the charging will not increase. Sometimes it will go off. You see, this one is very hot like this. It will go off. So now I'm going to fix it. I'm going to take it out. You see the phone will boot now. Okay. So I'm going to take it out. So now let's fix it. I'm going to take off that charging IC so that the phone can boot. It's off. So now, if I prompt to boot, yeah, you see, if I prompt to, it's now starting from 76. $67, then you see that it's booting, yeah. This is booting now. Normally, it's supposed to be like this, yeah. Then it go to 200, then 300 and up. Then you see, you know that it's booting. Okay, so now we are also going to check with the thermal camera. If you see now it's around 400 and something. So let's check with the thermal camera and see that that same position is not getting hot again. Okay, so now you see the same position is not getting hot again. That position I showed you before, this position is not getting hot again. It's not getting hot again. It's not. Okay, so now we will connect the screen and see. Let's connect the screen and see. Let's see. See, now it's on. So that is how we fix iPhone with a charging IC problem that the phone is not even booting. So after this, I'm going to put back a new charging IC. Then it will boot completely. Now it will hang on Apple logo like this until I put the new IC. To use old ICs from board. I use always brand new ICs. I don't have time to use old ICs. Sometimes when it's like that, you don't even know that IC you are taking from the board is working or not. So I buy all my ICs, brand new ICs, and I am 100% sure that it's working. Plus ICs video they are original. So now we are going to test. So I finished putting the IC, so we are going to test it and see. This is the IC, I just put it. So let's see if it will boot. Okay, so now let's see something. You see it's booting, and now you can see it's drawing amps like 1.5 amps. So that means it's charging. So let's see. You see now it's on and it's charging also. It's charging and it's on. So that is it. You can bring all your iPhones to Mama. I will fix it for you.